Open up Photoshop, let's start the show. Layers on layers, watch the colors flow. Smart graphics got the tricks you know. Creative vibes and they're set to glow. All of the work here is crafted with care, fine-tuning details from here to there. Got you designing for everywhere. Smart graphics bringing art to the square. You know this magic is out of sight. These effects take it to new heights. Now every artist is shining bright. Let's create something tonight. Photoshop got the scene set. Smart graphics and they're on deck. I don't know if you've seen yet the possibility to less. Photoshop got the scene set. Smart graphics and they're on deck. I don't know if you've seen yet the possibilities limitless. Every image has a story to tell. Let your creative juices start to swell. Smart graphics got you casting a spell, making design